Hey, Lily, what are you thinking about?
My dream. I want to be a painter.
Wow, that's cool. You love painting.
Yeah, but it's hard. What if I fail?
You won't fail if you try. You're really good.
But so many people are better than me.
Doesn't matter, you're special in your own way.
But it's scary to start. What if no one likes my art?
Some will, some won't, but you will love it, right?
Yes, I do love it, but I need more confidence.
Confidence comes with action. Start small.
Like what? What should I do first?
Maybe post your art online, or take a class.
I guess I could. But what if I get bad comments?
Ignore the bad. Focus on the good.
You make it sound so simple.
It's not simple, but it's possible. You've got this.
I'll try. Little by little, I'll follow my dream.
Of course, you're amazing. Never forget that.
Thanks, Tom. You always believe in me.
And I'll always be here, cheering you on.
That means a lot. Thanks, Tom.
A little later in the conversation.
You know, Tom, I see other artists. They're already so good. I feel behind.
Everyone starts somewhere, Lily. Even the best artists were beginners once.
Do you really think I can do it? Like, really?
Yes, you've got the passion. That's the most important thing.
Passion is good, but I need skills too.
Skills come with practice. Just keep painting, keep learning.
What if it takes too long?
Dreams take time, but they're worth it. One day, you'll look back and be proud.
I hope so. I really want this.
You've already taken the first step by dreaming. Now, just keep moving.
Yeah, small steps. I'll start with one painting at a time.
That's the spirit. Each painting is one step closer to your dream.
You make me feel like I can actually do it.
Because you can, and I'll be here to remind you every time you doubt it.
Moral: no dream is too big or too far. Take it step by step, believe in yourself, and surround yourself with friends who lift you up.